welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So 3 days on the trot. You don't hear from me for nearly 2 weeks and then I'm back every day. So we have another unboxing for you today and it is this beauty, which is the Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink Sewscription box. So I get this free from Andrea because I am a Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink ambassador. Is that right? I think so. I think it is. And yes, I am very fortunate that Andrea gifts this for me. But if you are interested in getting one yourself and you aren't a subscriber, they are £35 and each month you get a beautiful box of carefully curated, I was going to say created, but it's curated, carefully curated sewing goodies. So you get a piece of fabric. Normally it's 2.5 meters, but if it's like a more expensive jersey, it can be 2 meters. You also get sewing notions, lovely gift, sweet treat, and a beautiful ebook that is put together by my gorgeous friend Tamlin. So yes, this is box, I'm not sure because it's been a week. Yes, this is the latest box, July, and it came yesterday, but I have waited till today to open. And I am very excited because I've not seen any spoilers, but I have seen quite a lot of people saying that it is absolutely amazing. So I'm very excited to open this month's box. We've got lots of gorgeous summery themed artistry on the box, I guess you'd call it, with the lighthouses and the sailing boats and whatnot. It's really, really lovely, isn't it? So let's get it open and see what's inside. If you are wondering what I'm wearing today, before we open this box, I will tell you quickly. I am just wearing a ready-to-wear t-shirt and I have on a Rani skirt, is it? Is it a Rani skirt by Tammy Handmade? So it's literally a elastic waisted skirt and it's got side splits, both sides. Mid-axi length, I guess you would call it. So inside our lovely box this month, we have beautiful packaging. I can't wait to open and see. So July is a time for ease, for simpler projects, softer fabrics and sewing at your own pace. So on the back of here, we have our QR code. It says June on it. Is this June's box or is this July's box? We will see when we scan the QR code, won't we? Anyway, so I will scan that in a second. So we've got a little parcel of goodies in here. I'm sorry for the rustling, guys. I know how irritating it comes across on screen. Ooh, what have we got in here? Let's have a look. Ooh, so we have plant-based blue raspberry bottles. Wow, by Sweet Lounge. Interesting. So these remind me of cola bottles. They look like cola bottles, don't they? But I don't know. Raspberry and blackberry flavoured jelly sweets covered in sugar. They sound very nice. So I shall try those in a little while. It's a little bit early just yet for me. What else have we got in here? We have, a shower bomb. So I've had one of these before and basically they're like bath bombs that if you have a shower, you just literally drop it on the floor in your shower and it fizzes up and smells divine. So this is a shower steamer, peppermint and eucalyptus. Beautiful. So that will be really lovely to try, very refreshing. What else have we got in here? Oh, what's this? I don't know what this is. It's a needle minder. So I've had these before as well. These are really good, especially if you are, if you go into socials and you want something that's going to contain your needles and keep them safe so they don't end up stabbing you or somebody else, which would not be nice. So these are great for that because you can put your needles in. It's like a lipstick and keep them contained and safe. And then inside we also have our Gutterman thread, which is the Sew All purpose thread, is it? And it is in this gorgeous, lovely blue. It's like a sort of a cornflowery blue colourway. It is colour number 959. So let's see what is in here. Is it blue? That is the $1 million question. Can't wait to see. Ooh, it is. Oh, this is lovely. It's not what I expected at all. It really isn't. I don't know what I expected, but it really isn't. But it's really lovely. Very Mediterranean, very Greek, goddessy, summery. Yeah, it's viscose. I assume we have 2.5 meters, and it's super pretty. So if I bring this in closer, you can see it's like a tile print. I really like these style of fabrics. I think they're lovely. And then on one of the edges, is it just one? Yeah, along one of the selvages, you've got this really lovely sort of border, which is great for incorporating into your make. You can use that for the bottom of a blouse, I guess, or the bottom of sleeves even, bottom of a dress. That's really pretty. I really like this. It's lovely. So yeah, I assume we've got 2.5 meters of this absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous viscose. It does look a bit darker on screen than what it is in real life. In real life, it's very much that sort of Mediterranean blue and white. It looks a bit, it might just be the light in here because of the time of day that I'm filming this. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous. Really like it. Lovely. Those colours are perfect for me as well. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to scan the QR code and we'll take a look at the ebook and I'll be right back. So here we are at the start of box 53, which is this absolutely beautiful high summer Sewscription box with a gorgeous Mediterranean theme. Now, in the introduction, Andrea tells us that this month's fabric is exclusive to Be On The Pink Door. So they've had it printed especially for them and you can't get it anywhere else, which is just amazing. I mean, considering the value of this box, it's just incredible. So it's called Azure Mosaic and it's an absolutely beautiful viscose, as you have seen. So there's some inspiration here for ideas in ready to wear. I mean, yeah, these garments just speak to me because blue and white is just such a beautiful combination. So then we move on to the ambassador makes. Belinda has made this absolutely beautiful skirt. We've got Emma who's made this gorgeous dress as well. I mean, that's just beautiful. And then I absolutely adore what Judy's made. I think the way she's used the border print on this dress is just beautiful. Pattern of the month this month is Emily trousers, and we've got lots of the ambassador makes for the Emily trousers. So if you do want the Emily trousers, which is by Atelier Jupe, you can get 20% off if you head over to Be On The Pink Door this month and get your own copy. As always, Thready Set Go. If you are a subscriber, you get full access to Thready Set Go, run by the lovely Hayley. And then Tamlin talks us through some pattern picks of ideas for your fabric this month if you are a bit stuck for ideas on what to make. There's some really beautiful ideas amongst these here. And then we come on to the sewing challenges that are around for July if you want to get involved in any of the challenges that are on this month. Helen has made a beautiful True Bias mauve skirt, which is gorgeous. Mel has made this lovely cord set as well, which she just looks absolutely beautiful in. And then some hints and tips on how to work with border print fabric if you've never used it before. These gorgeous high summer recipes look beautiful. And that's about it. So, absolutely amazing ebook this year. I love some of the makes in this month's fabric. It really gives you lots of inspiration. I think, if I'm honest, I would like to make trousers with this. I think I would really love to play on the border print at the bottom, maybe even if I've got enough to highlight edging on the pockets. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm thinking lane pants. I'm thinking lane pants because I think they would be lovely. So give me some of your ideas if you've got any other ideas for this month's fabric. We will just have a quick recap on what we received in the subscription box this month. So we've got the gorgeous bath bomb, which I'm actually, no, it's not a bath bomb at all. It's a shower bomb. I am going to have a quick sniff. I'm going to do the sniff test, guys, to see if it smells nice. Oh, yeah. Yeah, very minty, which will be lovely for an early morning shower to wake you up and get you invigorated for the day. We have our cola bottles, except they're not cola. They are blue raspberry and blackberry. Raspberry and blackberry bottles, which are delicious, I bet. And we've got our gorgeous little needle minder, which is perfect for my sewing box to take away with me when I go to socials, and our gorgeous thread and beautiful, beautiful viscose. So that's it from me today. I don't think I'll be back tomorrow, so you've got a rest. But take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye.